This time of year, the streets of North Fresno are littered with people proving one man's trash is another man's treasure. A special garbage pickup held once a year stops at each house to collect almost anything. People put items on the curb a few days early, and that attracts the junk collector in all of us.
It's kind of a sport. There have been times that I found items that have helped repair the oven at the house. When I bring in new inventory, my wife is not too pleased.
The best pieces of wood from this old fence were taken last Thursday to Santiago's Collectibles, a Tower District furniture refurnisher that makes new out of old.
The unique woodworking and refinished furniture shop is filled with over 3,000 square feet of art, thanks to the father and son team of Santiago and Christopher Cruz.
He tries to do like the colors or try to mix colors to make it like a distressed look. And then he sands it down, he seals it. So he does mostly like the detail work at the end.
Distressed wood is the look du jour for interior designers like Rowana Beckfar.
What the vintage, it has history, it has character. Because normally like the new wood, we try to stain it, it's not gonna look the same as the original piece.
The younger Cruz followed his dad's legacy and started his own woodworking business as a senior at Fresno High. Now he's expanded it into CRZ showroom that includes high-end French and Danish-style furniture.
This has changed me as a person and how I see the things, because before I would just see like a piece of wood. I could make it look better, I could make it reusable again.
It takes patience and vision to bring new life to old wood.
Normally right now, the splinters, I don't even feel them, because gloves, normally I try to use them, but it like gets in my way.
Cruz may be only 24, but his calloused hands prove his determination. Cruz's dad agrees that their shared passion is the glue that holds the family business together.
Our communication has really grown since we started working together. We can express ourselves while doing what we love, taking a simple piece of wood and transforming it into something else.
A hanging bookcase made from a piano and a house with 3 gazebos are proof that their unique artistry is one of a kind.
It's like a piece of art. It's a lot of work and it takes a lot of your time, because many people don't imagine seeing like a fence board or something get created into something else.
But the real source of his happiness is the one person he started the business for, his mom.
She has provided so much to me. I feel like it's my time to return those favors and try to provide for her.
And the ultimate treasure for them is family. For CSU Summer Arts in Fresno, I'm Geoff Thurner with photojournalist Gilbert Banal.